Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily link your bank account to your PayPal account. Linking your bank account allows you to transfer funds, pay for purchases, and access more features within PayPal. So let's get started. First thing is go to PayPal account in your web browser and then click login at the top right corner of the page and then enter your email address and password and click login. Once you're logged in, click on wallet at the top of the page, this one right here. In the wallet section, look for the bank accounts. Under the bank accounts and card section, click a link a bank, this one here. And after that, enter your bank's routing number and your bank account number, your bank code and account number, bank name. So, and after that, just hit this link your bank. And after you link that, you will see here on the left side of the wallet page your bank account. So for the final summary, linking your bank account to PayPal is an essential step for making easy transactions and managing your finances. Just follow these simple steps to link your account and enjoy the full benefits of PayPal. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps you and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.